Good morning everyone. I am Saurabh Sargis. I am 10 years old. I study in class 4. My school name is Am Public School number 2, Jack RIC Jabalpur. There are 4 members in my family. My father, my mother, and my sister and myself. My father's name is Mr. Sanjay Sargis. My mother's name is Mrs. Manisha Sargis. My sister's name is Roshni. My hobby is playing cricket. I am friendly about to nature. Thank you everyone. Topic. My topic is value of time. Time is very important in our life. Time is a like or treasure that we can't see, but is very precious. Every moment that passed is a part of our time. Over time, we should never waste time. Waste time mean uh, missing out on exciting opportunity. It has no beginning and no end. It can't neither be created nor be destroyed. People who good use of time, he definitely gets successful in life. People who waste time, he never successful in the life. The the time that time is cannot be repeated. We should always use good use of time. Thank you everyone. Good morning everyone. I am Roshni. I am 11 years old. I study in class 6. My school name is Idioms Public School number 2, Jack RIC Jabalpur. There are 4 members in my family. My father, my mother, my brother and myself. My father name is Sanjay Sargis. My mother name is Manisha Sargis. My brother name is Saurabh Sargis. And my name is Roshni Sargis. My hobby is to dance. I am friendly girl by nature. Thank you everyone. My topic is money cannot buy happiness. Money cannot buy happiness. It can only buy things, convenience or goods. Money cannot buy happiness because happiness is not measured or stored or transfer ownership. Money is handy and essential to serve you in the present, but it can only buy convenience that may or may not come make joy and happiness to an individual. So money can buy things that help in our short-term pleasure. Money cannot buy authentic relationships like friendship, love in brother and sister, etc. Everything isn't about money. It's the small thing in our life. Small things give happiness to us as compared to grand things. Happiness is a long term, whenever money is temporary and necessary in our life. You should live happily in your life. Do not jealous of money. Thank you everyone for listening patiently.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to take you to our most exciting and mysterious journey on our planet Earth, the deep ocean. Imagine a place so deep and dark where sunlight can never reach. Yes, you get it right. It is the deep ocean, also known as apes. It has freezing temperature and full pressure and darkness that life can not be thrived there. Few facts about the deep ocean. A creature named biographical sinks organisms reflect its light through a chemical reaction and glows. For example, the angelfish. It glows its mouth, open its mouth and glows to attract prey on its mouth. There are jellyfish and squids also, creating an underwater light show. Another interesting fact is of vents. These vents are not just any vents. These vents are found in sea bedrock. These vents produce very hot water and rich mineral water. Around these vents areas, there survive different types of microorganisms to live there. We have only discovered about 5% of ocean and left 95% of ocean to be discovered by our future generations. Scientists believe that there are more than 1,000 organisms still living there that we haven't discovered, and they have medical prosperities, and they have few good qualities that can cure many diseases. But but now ocean, these organisms are not having much more time to live. Like Aqualia dolphin, only 10 are left, and Mazonia animal, that it is a fish, that only 5 are left. So and these are caused by deep sea mining, pollution, weather change. So we should take steps to protect our ocean for our future generation to discover it. In conclusion, I would like to say saving our ocean can be our greatest and best thing we can save in our nature, as it provides us with many things. And who knows, when time comes and we can be who knows that when time comes and animals of ocean may extinct. Thank you for joining me to this amazing journey.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to give a speech on a wonderful topic which is important in our lives. Education. My name is Shan Jasele of class 8 from Army Public School number 2. I am pursuing my education from Jabalpur. My family consists of 4 members. My father, Mr. Shashi Jasele, my mother, Mrs. Mamta Jasele, and my elder brother, Master Shah Jasele. My hobby is to play cricket and to invent new things. Now I am going to give a speech on education. Education is a very important part of our lives. If we are not educated, we will not be successful in our lives. If people treated us like animals, to them. First we talk about ancient education. A Gurukul is a type of ancient education in which all the students of 8 years, they used to join Gurukuls and they return home after 20 years. In Gurukul, all the gurus, all the children and gurus live in our same ashrams and gurus taught them many disciplines like politeness, self-discipline, etc. They woke up at 4 o'clock. All the students and gurus woke up at 4 o'clock. Students were cleaning the gurukuls. They go to collected woods to make their food. Now we will talk about modern period. Modern period is called now. What the time is in the present. In the present, people used to take 2 types of educations. First is online education and second is offline education. But today we talk about both the situation. But first go through online education. Online education is very important also because some people who were not who was not to pay their fees to for joining online offline classes, they use mobile and tablet, so they are more educated because this is the time of online education. But the disadvantages of using online education was that people or students will not take it seriously compared to offline education. Now we go through offline education. Offline education is also very important. It is much better than online education because offline education, like I would like to give an example. Like when we go to school, teacher teaches us many things in the class. So we will learn it nicely and concept is clear. But when we join offline classes, online classes, your eyes is damaged like me. So this topic is completed. Now we go to the medieval period. Medieval period class education like AI. AI is called artificial intelligence. Help many students to study hard. But the disadvantages of this that today people use all and that time also people used to educate it more because now when we go to the offline classes there is smart board at the class. So it is because of AI, because AI is artificial intelligence which teaches us a lot. I would like to conclude the topic to ending this education. Study hard to the success and be positive, don't be negative. Thank you for listening to me patiently.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak about confidence. I am Agrima Shrivastava. I would like to share about confidence. Confidence refers to the belief in one's abilities, qualities, and judgment. It encompasses a sense of self-assurance arising from an appreciation of one's capabilities or qualities. Now I will tell you about self-confidence. Self-confidence believes in one's personal ability to achieve goals or handle situation effectively. There is social confidence also, where social courage, comfort in interacting with others, often seen in the ability to communicate with each other and make friends and engage in public speakings. Now I will tell you about task confidence. Task assurance is in one's skills to perform a specific task, whether they are professional or academic or recreational. I would like to share my views about confidence. I am very low confidence girl. I never used to try to participate in a school function, but slowly I am improving myself by bringing that positivity and participating in small competitions like these. Self-belief is often built through experience, success, and positive reinforcement, but it can be also influenced by personality and social environment. Thank you for listening to me patiently.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving this opportunity to speak a speech about my dream job. My name is Janvi Garg. I study in class 10 and I am from Delhi Public School, Malla Road, Jabalpur. I am going to succeed because I am crazy enough to think I can. And with these lines, I am dreaming to become a singer and I wish my dream come true. And you know what? Being a singer is far more than performing live on stage under a spotlight, but it is about connecting with people through this universal language of music, evoking emotions and inspiring others. Being a singer entails with expressing oneself through songwriting and emoting through singing. Singing is not just a passion, it is the very essence of my being. As melody is what I crave for, I will always thrive on my ability to connect with people through my songwriting and singing with my melodies and lyrics. The beauty of pursuing a career in this field is that whether you're a 5-year-old kid or a 50-year-old man, as long as you sing from your heart and as long as your singing is coming from your heart, your music is acceptable and your music is listened to everywhere. The adoration of the fame is what attracts me the most. But my love for music is what keeps me going. And I will always and forever keep on singing, and I will never stop because I love music to that much level. The steps which I will take to be a great singer are as follows. Firstly, I will join a reputed music college. Secondly, I will try to grab every opportunity which comes in my way, whether it is performing live on gigs or auditioning in talent shows. Thirdly, I will try to collaborate with as many artists or producers I can and will try to create my own original music. And I will never shy away from setbacks, and I will always try to be my best. Thank you for listening to me patiently.